Hello students, this is Rajni Singh and welcome to my classes. Now yesterday we solved question number 3 and exercise 2.6. So now next we solve question number 6. And your question is 156.1 multiply 0. So here we have 100, so that means we have added two zeros with this number. So here I write 156100 and the point is after point we have one digits. So here we shift a point before one digit. So before this zero we shift the point. So the answer is 15610. Now question number 8 is, here we have 43.07 multiply 100. So we put 4307 and added 20 with this number. And the point is, here we have a 2 digit after point. So here we shift point before 2 digits. So on this place we have to put the point. So the answer is 4, 3, 0 and 7 only. Now question number 11. Here we have 0.9 multiply 100. So here I write 0, 9 and this 0 is on this place. Now shift the point. So here we have one digit. So before one digit we have to put the point. So the answer is 90 only. 90 means, because here we have 0 before the number, that means this 0 is no value here. So here the answer is 90. Now question number 12, we have 0.03 multiply 1000. So here we have 3 and 30 here and put the point before two digits. So here 1 and 2. This is only 30 because 30.00, that means answer is 30 only. Now question number 4 is, a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol, and how much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So here distance cover in 1 liter petrol is equal to 55.3 kilometer. Therefore distance cover in 10 liter petrol is equal to 55.3 multiply 10. Here we multiply this value. So here I write 553 and here we have 10. So here we put 10 and the point is before the one digit. So the point is here, that means 553 kilometer. So the answer is two-wheeler or only 553 kilometer distance is covered by vehicle. Now question number 5 is find first 2.5 multiply 0.3. So first we multiply 3 by 25. So 3 5 ja 15 and carry is 1. 3 2 ja 6 and 6 plus 1 we get 7. And the point is, here we have one digit after point and here also we have one digit, that means we have two digits after point. So here we shift point before 2 digits, so 1 and 2, and the point is on that place, and here we write 0, so the answer is 0.75. Now question number 2 is 0.1 into 517, that is 51.7. Now we multiply this value by this, so here we have 0.1, that means we have to multiply by only 1, so we get 517, and the point is here we have one digit and here also we have 1, that means we have to shift point before 2 digits, so 1 and 2, and the point is on that place, so the answer is 5.17. Now next we have 0.2 multiply 316.8. So if you write this type or you write that type, so the answer you get answer similar. So here this is easy to multiply, so we multiply this. 2 8 16 and carry is 1. 2 6 12 plus 1 13 and carry is 1. 2 1 1, 2 1 2 plus 1 3 and 2 3 6, and here point is here we have 1 digits and here also we have 1, that means we have to put the point before 2 digits, so here the answer is 63.36. Now next we have 0.5 multiply 0.05, so here we have 5 and 5, 5 5 25, and the point is here we have 1 digit and here we have 2 digits, that means we have 3 digits, so here 1 2 and we put 0 extra here, and after that we have to put the point, and this one is 0 here, so the answer is 0.025. Now next question number 8, 10.05 multiply 1.05, so here first we multiply by 5, 5 5 25, carries 2, 5 0 0 and 0 plus 2 we get 2. Now next 5 0 0 and 5 1 5, next we multiply by 0, so here we have 4 digits, so here this is 4 digits because we multiply 0 with any number, so we get 0 result. Next we multiply by 1, so here we have 5, 1 5 5, 1 0 0, 1 0 0 and 1 1 1. Now total 5, here 2 5, this one 5 0 and 1, and the point is here we have 2 digits and here also we have 2 digits, that means we have to put the point before 4 digits, so 1 2 3 and 4, so the point is 10.5525. Now next we have this value, so we multiply by 1, so we get same number 10101, and the point is here we have 2 digits and here also we have 2, that means we have to put the point before 4 digits, so 1 2 3 and 4, so point is on that place, so the answer is 1.0101.